press the bell icon for all the updates.
बाबा 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 लेफ्ट में एक बार बाबा लेफ्ट में एकदम बाबा लेफ्ट साइड बाबा लेफ्ट में पीछे बाबा इधर बाबा रहने बाबा इधर ये तो एड्रेस करना पड़ेगा। हाँ कैसा है राजा? बड़ा इवेंट है, मानव जी खुद आए हैं। आप कहाँ घुसी आ रही हैं मैडम? आपके साथ। क्यों लेकिन? क्या मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है? इतना शोर है। मैं क्या कहना चाहूँगा? आओ, कितना शोर करते हो यार तुम, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। जहाँ जाते हो ये शोर मचाते हो, कमाल है यार। 2 मिनट्स तो 2 मिनट्स।
सबसे पहले तो आपको बहुत मुबारक हो।
अरे शुक्रिया, मैं लूट रहा हूँ, मुबारकबाद लूट रहा हूँ। थैंक यू सर। आपने देखी? मजा आया? हाँ, गुड स्टफ, गुड, वेरी गुड। आप सबने पद्मावत फिल्म देखी? अच्छी लगी? वेरी गुड। हाँ यार, विदाउट वेटिंग। अवार्ड्स का पता नहीं, आई होप सब ऊपर वाले के हाथ में। हाँ जी,
सबसे पहले तो
हाँ क्या?
जानना चाहेंगे।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
रणवीर, what I would say about रोहन श्रेष्ठ, एक्चुअली आप यहाँ उनके लिए आए हो।
हाँ जी, रोहन और वरुण के लिए आए हैं। हाँ जी बिल्कुल, बोलिए पूछिए।
रोहन श्रेष्ठ के लिए आप आए हैं, what I would say about him actually.
Should I tell you the truth about Rohan Shrestha? Okay, so Rohan and I have actually grown up together, and we know each other since we were like in lower KG, and we were in the same school, same college, and we've been pretty much best friends all my life. So I'm extremely proud of him. Let me begin with just saying that I'm proud of everything that he's achieved. His father is a legendary photographer, but Rohan is someone who's made his mark at a very young age, is recognized as one of the most eminent, most prominent photographers in the country, and I'm very, very proud of him. And most importantly for me, you know, he's growing as an artist, and I can see that. You know, when I was a struggling actor and he was a struggling photographer, we used to go to his father's studio after hours and take photos, and he used to experiment with photography, and I used to experiment with different looks and whatnot. So we've come a long way together. You know, now we do professional shoots for big brands together, and it feels very surreal that he's a professional photographer of such great repute, and he's shooting me for a brand campaign. It's quite an insane feeling. I'm filled with pride to witness his achievements, and that too at such a young age. And like I was coming back to my point, what's most important for me is that Rohan keeps growing as an artist. You know, his craft. If you see his earlier work, and then you see how it evolved and where it's come today, you know, his craft is evolving. He's just getting better and better. Just this morning I saw a cover for Film magazine, and I was like, man, Rohan, this is just insane. You know, he's according to me one of the best in the business, and I'm extremely proud of him.
Ranveer, do you remember any special incident while you were shooting with him? A funny one that you'd probably like to share?
We have a lot of fun. Rohan, so Rohan is very serious about his work. Okay, so if he's not getting what he wants, his क्या बात है, ओए, क्या बात है. So he's a bit temperamental. So whenever he shouts, I find it damn funny. So we have a lot of fun on our shoots. You should. My fondest memories of shooting with Rohan are not actually of the recent times. My fondest memories are of when he was a struggler and I was a struggler, and we were just like trying to make it somewhere. You know, we used to do guerrilla shoots. We used to just go to any location in Bandra without any permission and start clicking pictures, and you know, so we've done a lot. But Rohan is somebody I have such a great personal connection with that my most fondest memories with him are all personal. As a professional, I really respect him, and I'm extremely proud of his achievements and very happy for him today.
How are you enjoying your success of Padmavati? Like, how are you enjoying it?
I'm enjoying it. I mean, I don't get too carried away with success, neither do I get too bogged down by failure. What's most important for me is that, you know, you deliver on your promise to the audience. You know, I've pledged myself to try and be the best entertainer that I can possibly be, and to see the kind of response, love and praise that people are showering on the performance, it's extremely heartening for me, and it's filled me with even more motivation to go out and work even harder and keep doing good work. Of course, Padmavat will always be a gem in my filmography. You know, it's one of those rare successes where, you know, it gets the kind of critical acclaim that it has, as well as the commercial success. So yeah, it's been an avalanche of love coming in from everywhere, and it's been quite overwhelming. But I haven't really had time to celebrate. I've been shooting Gully Boy every day. It's going extremely well. Things are just flowing along sparklingly, delightfully with Zoya and Alia, and I'm really enjoying the shooting process. And honestly, what more could I ask for? That's my greatest gift and the greatest prize, you know, that I'm able to go to a film set every day and do what I love doing.
This is a very interesting question. This is a very
हाँ, क्यों नहीं, मिस्टर भंसाली के लिए तो कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. I'll always, I hope, I understand all too well that our collaboration is very special. And a lot of people recognize that. I recognize it too. So I hope to do more films with him, and I hope that, you know, I'm able to create a vast legacy of memorable films with such a special filmmaker. I'm sorry?
Valentine's Day is round the corner.
Yeah, I think I'm shooting on that day. Like, I don't know.
What do you have to say about Mud?
I'm sorry?
What do you have to say about Mud?
Oh, Mud is like the Harvard of makeup. So I'm really happy that Leap India has brought them to India. I think to train makeup artists is a very big step. You know, what will happen is a lot of young people will have a unique line of work that they can choose to get into, and they have the training available. You know, you have a lot of eminent makeup artists in the industry, but young people, millennials, you know, like they have an opportunity now to choose this lucrative line of work and get the proper training for it. So I think it's an awesome thing that Leap India has brought Mud to India. All right, I gotta go inside. They're waiting for me. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Can I have a picture with you?
Just one question from Miss Malini, please.
बाद में यहाँ पे सॉरी लास्ट ईयर दिया
Hi Kriti, how are you? Yeah.
Yes.
A quick bite.
Valentine's Day is round the corner. We would like to know, what does love mean to you and what are your plans?
Guys, let's talk about where we are. No? Why we talk about Valentine's Day?
What have you say about you come from Rohan, you come from Mud? What have you say actually about Rohan? And how long you've been knowing?
Rohan, I know him since a very, very long time now. Before I'd even started acting. He was one of the first few people who shot me when I was just about to enter films. So it's great that he's starting something like this, and he himself is a great photographer, and I love shooting with him. And this school of photography is an amazing, amazing idea, and I'm so glad that he's finally done it.
And Kriti also they are starting
Kriti.
makeup academy. So what do you have to say?
Sorry?
Makeup academy they are starting. So what do you have to say?
I think, now there's more and more demand in all these fields, and I'm so glad that we're having institutions and institutes here in Mumbai where we can sort of go and train ourselves, and if you're interested in makeup. So it's amazing, and it's amazing to have someone like Rohan Shrestha also getting involved in all this.
Kriti, there are lots of photographers whom you have worked with actually when you shot you. But then something about Rohan, something very unique or something very special about
I think the most fun thing about Rohan is that he is so chilled out on the set and whenever you're shooting, and he just makes you feel very comfortable, and it's almost like a friends shooting for each other kind of a thing happening. And he's really good at what he does, and he's very candid with whatever he does. It's always like a little more experimental, that okay, let's try this or let's do this, and he's always up with some interesting ideas, and he always takes ideas and inputs. So that I find very interesting. I think it has to be collaborative, and that's when you get magical pictures.
Did you always share your...
And his black and white series, of course. हम दोनों एक साथ? ऐसा तो अभी कुछ हुआ नहीं है कि हम दोनों एक साथ कोई फिल्म करें. But yeah, of course, if she gets a great opportunity, why not?
What do you have to say about
Sorry.
prosthetics?
Yeah. What?
Come up with this thing. It's like new in India.
Oh, it's not really new in India. Prosthetics has been used in so many films, including Pa. Yeah, that was the best, in fact, that's been done here. I think it's interesting to sort of, it sort of gives you that little bit of the scope of going a little away from how you look and actually look like someone else who sometimes can be unrecognizable. So it's purely the actor inside you who's sort of in front of the camera, and the physicality is not seen, and you can look like so many other people, which is amazing. Rajkumar Rao and Rabta, yeah.
You would be given a chance to do a prosthetic.
I would love that. I think for an actor it's very interesting to see yourself transform into someone who you are not. That is interesting and that's challenging, and then be able to sort of convince people only with your acting and not just your physicality. I think I would love to do something. Hopefully soon. Well, the project that I can talk about is Arjun Patiala, which I'm actually starting very soon. I'm going to be leaving in a few days for Chandigarh, and I'm very excited about that. It's a comedy film, it's a really fun film, and it's a film that's going to make you crack up. I'm working with Diljit also for the first time, so that's going to be something to look out for, because a fresh pairing is always something interesting. And I feel he is a fab actor, so I'm looking forward to working with him. So yeah.
Could we quickly take a bite there?
Where?
So one bite somewhere here.
So Dia, what do you have to say about this Academy of Photography's launch in India?
I'm very excited that Rohan has chosen to share his craft and his expertise with more people. He's such a gifted, talented photographer. I'm very happy that he's sharing his wonderful talent with people.
And also they have launched the Academy of Makeup. So what is makeup for you? Do you believe in makeup or in
Of course, makeup is artistry that is so essential. It's something that forms such an important part of our lives, my life for sure, because of the line of work I'm in. And I really respect and admire people who take up this artistry and do a good job with it. And I think that more and more young Indians are getting interested in learning the fine art of makeup, and they're doing a great job with it.
What did you say about Rohan actually? How long
I just spoke about it. I have known Rohan now. Rohan is one of the finest human beings I know in the industry. He's somebody who I have worked with right since the beginning of his career, and I love him. He's one of the most talented photographers, but more than anything else, I feel that every time I face his camera, he captures my soul. And he really brings out the best in me, and I really love working with him. And I'm so happy that he's chosen to impart his craft and his knowledge to more people. Thank you.
Ma'am, visual.
बाद में यहाँ पे Sorry. Last year, dear.
Yeah, we'll take a picture with you.